Hello, SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be making a stewed chicken. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get cooking. Now these are the ingredients that we're going to need for our stewed chicken. Here I have a whole chicken that I cut up and seasoned overnight. I used some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Maggi liquid, and a little bit of seasoned salt. We have some green seasoning. That's my green seasoning that I blend myself. I have some chicken stock, one onion about a medium size, some food browning, chopped garlic, one carrot, one pack of Goya Sazon, some fresh thyme, and one scotch bonnet or habanero pepper. Now I just turn my stove on high. I want to get the pot nice and hot before I add my oil, or in this case I'm using clarified butter. Let's see here. So it looks like it's nice and hot. Now I'm just going to add the chicken to that. So we just pour that in. So I just want to sear it for a few minutes before I add anything else to it. This is one of my favorite dishes, stewed chicken. It's very popular in the Caribbean. Mostly everything they stew beef, stew pork, stew everything. So it's just everything it's just something I'm accustomed to, and it's very delicious the way it's done. We can now add our browning. And that's going to make it nice and brown. And I'm going to put my onion. Cook down for a bit, and now I think I can put my garlic. Let's put our green seasoning. Now I'm just going to put the rest of my seasoning. We'll put some chicken stock, some Goya. I'm going to put some thyme and some carrots. Give it a nice cook. And you can see I tie my thyme in a little bouquet, so this way I can just pick it up and take it out once it's done. And last we're going to put one hot pepper right here in the middle. Now for this I don't put a lot of water in it, so I just want to put about half a cup of water. I want it to cook in its own juice and keep all that flavor in. Okay, and now we're going to cover it up and let it cook. We're going to leave it and we'll check on it occasionally. It should take about 45 minutes to an hour to cook. Now we're going to turn it down, so you don't want to keep it high. I want to put it about a medium and let it cook. To go with my stewed chicken, I'm going to make some sweet potato with green bananas and plantains. Now the way I do my sweet potato is I steam it because these are very soft, and then if you boil them they get kind of mushy, so I like to steam them. It keeps it firmer. Also the plantains, I'm going to steam them as well. These are not quite ripe, but if I boil them then they get too soft. So if you steam it, it's better and it stays a little firmer, it's not as mushy. Also my green bananas, a lot of people see this in the supermarket and they figure, oh well, what do I do with this? This is delicious when it's cooked. It doesn't really have any flavor of its own, but it takes on whatever you're eating it with. It is very good for you, very high in iron, it's delicious. We just add a little bit of salt. So you want to add the cooking oil, just a bit of cooking oil to the water. So we're gonna take our lemon and just squeeze in there. Now the lemon juice keeps your bananas from turning black. If you just put it in the water and cook it like that, then it's gonna be all black when you take it out. But this way it stays nice and gray. The color is light. Cover it up and bring it to a boil, and then we will turn it down. Cover it up. Now we can check on our chicken and see how that's doing. And as you can see, it's made its own juice. Like you can see all the liquid. Yeah, it's looking good. It smells delicious. Actually, I think I might take this out. I think I have enough flavor from that. And we're going to cover it back and just let it continue to cook. Okay. Okay, so let's check. Oh, our chicken looks good. It looks like it's already done, and you can see it's just in its own juice, so we don't have a lot of liquid, just perfect, just enough. And I think at this point I'm going to remove that little bouquet of thyme, and you can see I tied it up so it's just easy to remove it. And I'm going to throw that in here and throw it away with my pepper. And I think our stewed chicken is about cooked. So we'll cover it up and let it sit there. I'm going to turn it off until I'm ready to plate it. Let's see our plantains, how they're doing. And you can see they're steaming. Now you can see when the skin is starting to peel away, it's opening here. And then that's so it's just about ready. So we leave it for a couple more minutes and then we'll see. Same as our banana, you can see they're boiling. Now the same thing happens when the banana is cooked, the skin starts to split. And you will see it start splitting, so it's not ready yet. And my potatoes, they come in along, so they should be cooked soon. Let's check bananas. Oh, you can see they are cooked. I'm going to show you how you can tell. It's now changed from green to this kind of yellow color. But look at that. You see they split open, and you can see the color of the banana inside. And you can see they stay light in color, and that's because of the lemon juice. See, same thing for the plantains. They start splitting. You can see it's nice and looks good. So that's done as well. Don't be afraid if you see plantains in the supermarket. Pick up a couple and try them. They're very delicious. I'm gonna take it off and put it on a plate, and then this way I can take the skin off. let's try. Can't wait. That is so good. And here you have it, our delicious stewed chicken with green bananas and plantains and sweet potatoes. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again next time.